Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to topic 14. In this topic, we're going to be seeing how we create the structure of this particular bungalow. Now, I hope all you guys have downloaded the file and have it ready to work with. Alright guys, so we're going to start right from the basics, which is our ground floor plan over here. Now, as you guys can see, we have these stairs in our ground floor plan. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to do a right to left selection over our stairs as such. And if we miss a couple of ones, then you can just hold Control and select both these as well. Now we can just copy these stairs outside. We don't even need to move them out, just copy them. You can erase this extra line which has come. And from here, I can easily go ahead and just erase all these stairs by holding the erase command. Now once I'm done with this, we will have our stairs separately for us to work on. And we can start with the building process of our ground floor plan. Now, as we did the plinth level for our shed design, the same way we're going to first select the plan, right click and make it into a group. After that, you all will do an outline of the entire building with your line tool. Over here, we'll be using the line and not the rectangle, since we have very different edges in this plan and not a normal rectangle. Now guys, once I've created this rectangle, you can see I can easily pull this rectangle up, 0.6, enter. And I can select the plan which I have below and I can move it up. Now when you're selecting the plan, just make sure that you're not clicking on the surface, but you're clicking on an edge. That will allow you to select it easier. These small tips which I tell you all, it's because we have seen a lot of students who have faced these problems already, and we'd like to just solve them for you before you all face it. Now I can do a right click and explode this plan. Now as soon as I explode it, you'll notice that either you have some flickering surfaces over here, but that's completely okay. All you have to do is select that surface and delete it so that it's all deleted off. And then on any one color, let it be the white color or the blue color, we're going to do a right click and we're going to do orient faces. So all the faces will now automatically turn to the white color. Now I can use the push command and push these stairs down, 0.15, enter. Now once I'm done pushing these stairs down 0.15, I can do a double click over here. And if it goes up, then I'll bring it back down. Similarly over here, and we can just bring these down as such. The top step is going to be the landing area and the rest of them will be the regular stairs. Over here in the backyard, we'll be creating the same thing, so 0.15 below, and we'll take these lines down. Similarly over here, we'll take these lines down. Once you're done with this much, we can just go on to creating the walls. So each wall will go up 3 meters over here. Unlike the shed which went up 3.5 because we needed a sloping over there, all these walls will go up only 3 meters. Now before I pick up all the walls, you guys might notice that this over here is a bedroom which has a walk-in wardrobe and then a toilet. So what I want you guys to understand is, in this toilet there has to be a ventilator. But since there is no ventilator provided over here, we are going to go and create one. So have a look at how we can add certain things even though our AutoCAD file must have not had them. So over here, I'm just going to go ahead and draw a line. Of course, I've pushed the wall down first and I've drawn a line over here. Now the same reason why I drawn the line here is the same reason why I drew it in the shed, so that lines can get divided. After that, I will draw another line over here and select this line. And I will use the move command, and holding the control, I will copy it on the side, 0.3, enter. And similarly from here, I will copy it on this side, 0.6, enter. And I can erase the center off from here. Now I can select this rectangle and use the move plus control to copy, and copy it from this midpoint to go ahead and place it over here. And as you guys can see, we have now created our ventilators. Very simple to draw. If we miss out something in AutoCAD, it can always be corrected over here. Rest of all these walls will go up to 3 meters as such. Now once you guys are done with this much, Before we go up to pull the lintel levels, I would like you guys to please clean your drawing so that we can always have a clean drawing to work with. Just these basic lines. Please don't erase any edges off. By edge I mean any corner like this. Now once we're done with this, we're going to go ahead and select all our openings to create the lintel level. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to see wherever there is no rectangle, I will go ahead and add a rectangle over there like this. So basically to all the openings which do not have rectangles, we will need to create rectangles so that we can select them and then copy them up like we had done for the shed as well. So this process of first creating the structure and then adding the fenestration is actually going to be a very helpful process for y'all, so y'all can easily work within the same process. And as you guys can see, I'm pressing Ctrl and selecting all the openings over here. Make sure that you do this very slowly so that you don't miss anyone or you do not by mistake forget to press Ctrl. And I can use M control, and copying it from this reference point, I will copy it up 2.1 and enter. And now I can pull all of these up till the end as such. Now once I've pulled all these up, I can just go ahead and erase all these lines from here. As such, all of these lines can easily get erased off. Such. Now once I've created this much, let me just explain to you what exactly is this house consisting of. Well, over here, soon as you enter inside, you'll have your living space with your kitchen area, and you can go in through here through the lobby as well as your staircase area. Over here you'll be accessing the first bedroom, which would be the guest bedroom, as well as a walk-in wardrobe and a toilet area. Now once the person reaches up over here, he will reach a lobby area and have access to another bedroom over here with the same walk-in wardrobe and a toilet, and from here we'll have access to the master bedroom, the master walk-in wardrobe and the master toilet. Over here we'll be having a terrace, but all of that will be included in our facade separately. Now once we're done creating this much, we'll go ahead and just pull up all the sill levels. So over here, as this is going to be a kitchen sill level, it will be 1.2. We will leave this down for now. The toilet over here will go up 1.5. The bedrooms will be 0.6. So will this be 0.6, and the hall also will be 0.6. This is a balcony exit, so there's going to be a 3-door slider over here. And that's basically how you're going to create your ground floor plan. Now we can hold the whole ground floor plan by selecting it, right click and making it into a group. Now we can quickly go on to our first floor plan and start to build the structure for this as well. So for this, we're going to be doing the same thing. That is, we're going to select it and make it into a group. Using the line command, I'm going to draw a line all over the edge of this plan. And after that, I will be able to pull this 0.15. So unlike our sill level, our plinth level which we had created, which was 0.6, this is going to be a slab level for the first floor, which will be only 0.15. Now we can select the plan below this and move it up. You don't even need to copy it, just move it up. Now we can select the whole thing, right click and explode it. And after that, right click and orient face. So it's all oriented. I hope all you guys are getting this process by now. This is one of the best processes to work with when you're trying to create any bungalow. Very clean, and you'll always be having a perfect bungalow if you follow this process. Okay guys, once you guys are done with this much, then remember all walls will go up 3 meters. So will this, so will this. Every single wall over here will go up 3 meters. This is going to be a balcony window, so we won't pick the sill of this, alright? Only lintel. Now once we're done picking up everything 3 meters, we can select all the openings. Just make sure you're even picked up these walls over here. So some walls are connected, some walls are not. So we'll go ahead and select all the openings over here. And we can select this, M control, and copy this up, 2.1, enter. Now you all must have noticed that for the small bedroom we haven't created the doors and lintel levels for the toilet as well as the walk-in wardrobe, but that's okay. If we have missed out something, we can always go ahead and create it afterwards as well. So I'll just use the rectangle command and create one rectangle over here. Go ahead and create another line over here and another rectangle from here to here. We can select both of these, M control, and pick this up, 2.1, enter, and pull this up till the end as such. So this is how we'll easily go ahead and kind of create this portion. Now do remember that this area over here is supposed to be where the staircase comes from. So we need to create an opening over here. Now to create an opening, what I'm going to do is just push this down and match it till this level. You can see I haven't clicked anywhere, it's still going down, but I'll just bring my cursor and match it to this level over here. And the minute I click it, you'll see that this opens up with a nice opening like this for our stairs to come up. Now once I'm done with this, please clean out all the lines as well and make this whole thing into one single group as such. Well guys, that's it. I hope you guys have completed this much, and I hope you guys have understood this much. And once you guys have done this much, I'll see you guys in the next topic, which is topic 15. Take care guys, and I'll see you in the next topic. And once you'll have completed this much, y'all can pick up all the sill levels to 0.6, enter. Similarly over here as well, over here as well. Now this is the toilet, so the toilet we can raise it to 0.9. The ventilator can go up to 0.15. Now once you have created the slab, we can easily go ahead and pick up all the walls to 3 meters. Make sure you're only picking up all the walls to 3 meters and none of the ventilators, windows, all of these will go up 3 meters. Now once you're done with this much, just make sure you have your rectangles ready everywhere for the door openings as well. So you can see these two places didn't have it, so I'll just go ahead and quickly create these. Now once I'm done with this, select all the openings like this. Just make sure you're selecting all of them. Don't miss anyone out, and if you do, then you can do it later also, not an issue. Once you're done selecting all of them, M control and pick them all up along the blue axis, 2.1, enter. Now remember, up arrow key helps you in the blue axis, so that's how you can easily use the up arrow key to be set in the blue axis. Now once I've picked up all of these as such, even over here, I will go behind over here and I will just push this opening down. Now this opening is basically where my stairs will come from. So I can just push this opening down and make sure you're matching it to this point over here. You can see it's still getting pushed down. I've left the click, just moving my mouse, and I will be able to select this point and click over here. Now once I'm done with this much, I will push my ventilator up 1.5. I'll go ahead and pull this portion also up, 0.9, which is the toilet. And I'll pull up all my sill levels for these windows, 0.6. This is going to be a balcony, so this will have it till the ground level itself. And this will also go up 0.6. Now once I'm done with this, guys, please go ahead and clean your model completely. Don't forget to do that. That is a very important thing. because it's always better to have a clean model. It's easier to apply material as well. Now once you're done with this, cleaning the model up, we can easily go ahead and select the whole structure, right click and make it into a group. Now once you guys are done with this much, we can enter into the next topic to start with the detailing. Okay guys, all the best, complete this much and I'll see you in the next topic. Take care.